CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.2 Explain methods to secure devices and security best practices. Security awareness. Are you good at getting people to do what you want? If so, you might be a natural at something called social engineering. In the world of information technology, social engineering is the act of manipulating individuals into revealing confidential information or performing actions that compromise security. It often involves exploiting human trust, curiosity, or urgency to gain access to systems or data. Or, as I like to call it, hacking the human. And make no mistake, all the firewalls, encryption, and multi-factor authentication in the world can't protect you if you're tricked into handing over the keys yourself. Now, one of the most common forms of social engineering is phishing. Phishing is where an attacker sends fraudulent communications, typically via email, that appear to come from a legitimate source, maybe your bank, your boss, or even your favorite online store, all with the hope of reeling in your personal info. For example, you might get an email saying, "Urgent, your account has been compromised. Click here to reset your password." Spoiler alert, that link leads straight to a hacker's website. So how do you fight back? To start, try using a spam filter. A spam filter is like posting a bouncer at the door of your inbox, keeping shady messages out. Also, knowing how to spot red flags, like misspelled URLs or sketchy sender addresses, can stop a scam before it starts. Now here's the twist. While stealing your login information is one common goal of phishing attacks, it's not the only one. In many cases, the attacker's true objective is to get you to open or download malicious or compromised content. That might be an attachment pretending to be a receipt or a link that looks like a PDF or a trusted website. But hidden behind that innocent-looking file or link is malware, software designed to damage your system, steal your data, or give attackers remote access to your device. In other words, phishing is just the bait. The real catch is what comes next, be it spyware, ransomware, keyloggers, or worse. That's why it's so important to stay cautious. Never open unexpected attachments. Be skeptical of urgent messages. And always verify the source before you click. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.